Toenail fungus, also called onychomycosis, is a common fungal infection of your toenail. The most noticeable symptom is a white, brown, or yellow discoloration of one or more of your toenails. It may spread and cause the nails to thicken or crack. This may be why many people try home remedies instead. Here are 6 of these popular at-home treatments. 1. Vicks VapoRub. Vicks VapoRub is a topical ointment. Although designed for cough suppression, its active ingredients, camphor and eucalyptus oil, may help treat toenail fungus. Apply a small amount of Vicks VapoRub to the affected area at least once a day. 2. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil, also called melaleuca, is an essential oil with antifungal and antiseptic abilities. Apply tea tree oil directly onto the affected nail twice daily with a cotton swab. 3. Vinegar. Only anecdotal evidence exists supporting vinegar as a treatment for toenail fungus. Still, it's a reasonably safe home remedy to try. To use, soak the affected foot in 1 part vinegar to 2 parts warm water for up to 20 minutes daily. 4. Garlic. You may treat toenail fungus with garlic by placing chopped or crushed garlic cloves on the affected area for 30 minutes daily. 5. Olive leaf extract. An active substance in olive leaf extract, oleuropein, is thought to have antifungal, antimicrobial, and immune-boosting abilities. You can apply olive leaf salve directly to nail fungus or ingest in capsule form. 6. Oregano oil. Oregano oil contains thymol. According to a 2016 review, thymol has antifungal and antibacterial properties. To treat toenail fungus, apply oregano oil to the affected nail twice daily with a cotton swab. Some people use oregano oil and tea tree oil together. The link between diet and health is clear. The healthier the foods you eat, the better chance your body has to fight off conditions such as toenail fungus.